How are you all? Before starting my presentation, I would like to thank my teacher for giving me an opportunity to express few sentences before you. Today I am going to talk about my family and myself. My name is Mehrab. I am a student at Madrasa. I live at Kalikapur in Sonaimori. My home district is Noakhali. In the future, I want to be a Islamic scholar. Now I like to say something about my family and I have a small family. My family members are four. They are my father, mother, brother. My father name is Saleh Ahmed. He is an expatriate. My mother name is Aisha. He is an ideal homemaker. My brother name is Arafat. She is a student. Now I like to say I don't like to prolong my speech today. Thank you all for listening to me with patience. Allah Hafiz.